There's a parking disaster here. Everyone's come for Christmas. There's a beautiful kind of... So we're here at 1 o'clock, and typically we would stay until 6 or 7 p.m. you know, in the restaurant, eating many courses, and they're like small plates but usually a lot. And that's how this family does it, but everyone's different. Some people have a party or have dinner on Christmas Eve. We do the Christmas lunch, but yeah, we're not the only ones. Look, it's very crowded. You have to book also months in advance too, at least 1 month in advance anyway, and it depends on the restaurant, because some restaurants you have to book literally 6 months in advance, otherwise all the restaurants will be booked. You can't just go to a restaurant on Christmas Day, because it's a tradition here. So yay, we're here. So many people are here and there's no parking. What are you gonna do? Guarda la decorazione là. Bello. This is the menu for today. It says auguri di buon Natale. The antipasti, the first one is the prato d'oca con crostini. So it's definitely duck and crostini. So this is the second appetizer. It is a cheese fondue in a basket of frippo cheese, you know, it's a basket, and with smoked ricotta on top. It's good. No, the restaurant is good, and the set menu is like 50 euros each, and that's normal for like all the restaurants. So you might as well go to a very nice restaurant. Third appetizer, vegetables and white meat and potatoes. I think it's chicken. Chicken on a bed of like tomatoes with vegetables over. The third course is soup.
Questi piattini? No, non mi pare che ci sia solo questo. Stiamo guadagnando 8 euro al mese. Se fossero 80 al mese sarebbe una buona idea. Beh, io direi.
It's good. The best part of every meal has arrived, which for me is the dessert. I love it. This is a chocolate cake, but actually it was like the log, and then they sliced it up, and I got the end. Now I'm having the coffee,
io ho preso un microfono semiprofessionale da
normal that after eating you have coffee.
Non ce l'ha adesso, ma ce l'ha nella borsa. Questa macchina qui ha un ingresso per microfono esterno. Viene un audio come TV,
or coffee. So this video was just like all about food. I hope you liked it anyway. I hope it wasn't boring.